this video, I will show you how to turn on and turn off your LG AC without the remote control. Now basically what you want to do is to go ahead and open up this ventilation cover over here. You don't have to be afraid whether it will break. Trust me, it is built for you to be able to also open it up with your hands if you want to. And basically what you want to do is to go over to the end of these bezels over here on your AC, and then you just want to go ahead and locate the power button, which is over here on the AC. You can literally see mine over there. Now for some LG AC, you might actually have a white bezel over here, and for some you might just have black as it is over here on my AC. Now basically what you want to do is to go ahead and press on the power button, and automatically your LG AC will turn on by itself. Now to turn it off, you want to go ahead and do the same thing. Go ahead and open it up properly if you want to, and then just go ahead and press on the button again, and automatically your LG AC will turn off once again. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.